a Blackstone grill, and we're going to be using it today. So I'm just going.
Hey.
So today this is our Blackstone grill.
Other side. Stay. Here, hold it on it. I'm gonna help you undo it. Come on, Brent. I'll help you. Okay. Get it up. Whoa! Look at that! Look at that!
What is there? Right here, Daddy.
That is what we can use to move the grate for the charcoal side.
So this is a gas tank.
Tell them you can hook into a small one.
We can hook into a small
tank,
one.
or it has the adapter to
Or it
hook
has
into
the adapter to hook into
the big one.
to a big one.
Okay, so look right here, Bryn. And then this is our griddle part.
And this is our griddle part
And then for those that want charcoal,
for charcoal.
this is this one with an adjustable grate.
This is just the grate
You got your thing right here to pick the grate to lower it to a height.
to a high.
Yep. It's got a tray to catch your ashes. See there? And then let's show them right here at the back. We got right here to catch our grease.
That's our grease. And a tray. Right here.
Yep. Alright. Alright guys, so we've got everything on. We're gonna season it. So to season it, take this, get it going, turn it all the way to high. Then you're gonna take some oil. We'll show you, pour on top. Then you're gonna let it sit there for a few minutes. Then we're gonna wipe it and repeat that a few times. Alright guys, we've got it heated up. We're gonna take our oil. Got our paper towels. Just pour a little bit on there, like so. And then put our lid that aside right now. Take our paper towels. Just go over sides. Be careful not to let your hand slip off of the paper towel, because it is extremely hot. We've got it on high, as high as it'll go. Extremely hot. So be very careful of that. Alright. So while we're here, we're gonna go ahead just with our excess oil and go over this here. The charcoal side also. Season it too. Alright, so just hang out a little bit, give it a couple minutes. We're letting it basically cook in. Then once we get it cooked in, we'll repeat the same process again. Got a cover too, also. Hey, Bryn. All right. Oh yeah, look at this. Quarantine at its finest right here, buddy. Gonna get in that later. All right. So back here, starting to come over just a little bit, drying up. So we're gonna simply take the oil, gonna put a little bit more on it. Doesn't take as much the second time around. Put the lid back on that one. Get our paper towels again. flip it again. Ask you if I want butter on my muffin. I always eat butter. So we're gonna take it again. I'm just gonna coat this one over here a little bit. We'll have the link in the description to get this through Amazon. The cover is actually for the 36-inch griddle. They don't call it for the combo. It does fit the combo. There'll be a link in the description also for that. Yeah, just walk around like this. Alright, girl. While we're waiting, show you what everybody else is having. So, Brent, what you having for breakfast? Come show me, you gonna be in the video?
So, I'm having this and this.
What is it? Talk to us, tell us.
A muffin and yogurt.
What's the muffin shaped like?
Ow!
Who made that?
Mommy!
She does amazing, doesn't she?
Yeah.
Oh, griddle is smoking and hot. So hazing over. That's what we want right there. That bad boy is getting hot. One more time, last time. Just a little bit. And we'll be done with this. Take your paper towel. Again, very, very hot, guys. Very hot. Be extra careful. Alright, we'll be back shortly. Starting to change colors. We did it there. We'll probably go about another 4 or 5 times. Supposed to do the process, just repeat it continually for 15 minutes. We've done it for about 10 now, so we got about another 5 minutes in. Hey guys, seasoning's done. Bacon's cooking. Enjoy. Everything's working, got it seasoned. You don't have to do that every time. Just the first time when you get it. And keep it clean. Here we are. Pulling off the last few pieces. Cooks very well. Definitely have a hotter section right here. This side's not so much, but that really works great for cooking. You could get your sears here, heat it up, and slower cook it this time. Just simply left it on high setting. Go with it. Very, very great for the money. Best of both worlds right here. Time to go enjoy some bacon.
Please like, thanks for watching, and subscribe on the bell and ding a bell.